Tony, and I will tell you abangan yan. Basta yung eksena na yun, napaganda. Madulas na, pero wala akong sinabi. Ito na eksena na dito.
Ngayon, alam na natin kung anong aabangan na isa sa mga big scenes doon sa pelikula at sa
Hindi ito may maganda rin kaming scene yan. So I'm just really privileged to be working with these guys kasi in a way I've seen their growth. No? So hindi constant, but I was part of a film na ginawa namin 4 years ago. And I'm really honored to be part of this film. Of course, under Direk Cathy's leadership.
Thank you, thank you. For our friends from the media, kung gusto niyo po talaga malaman yung kwento, just approach Sir Epi later on. Malay niyo mapigan sa kanya.
Pasmado bibig niya eh.
Hindi nagsalita ang
Buti nga hindi kwento sa'yo, kuya.
Ay, bilin ko, wag na wag kay Joros, please.
May sarili akong press con mamaya. Papapansit ako.
Let's talk about Joros. Kasi actually, for this film, the big guns are out. No? It's a Star Cinema film about, relationship drama. And then we got Direk Cathy Garcia Zampana with this incredible cast, including Joros Gamboa. Okay, Joros, the question is you
Sumama sa pelikula na to.
Ayun, anong trabaho?
Now, you've played so many memorable supporting characters in Star Cinema movies. Ano ba yung aabangan ng mga manonood sa iyo para sa pelikulang ito? Ano yung aabangan sa yung kakaiba?
Wala. Sure. Hindi, as always naman, susurpresahin namin kayo. Ganun si Direk Cathy talaga. Katulad nga nung nabanggit nila, is technique yun eh.
No.
Minsan yung iba yung ipapabasa sa'yo para
Iba
kita
yung
sa
reaction.
reaction, di mo madadaya kasi gulat ka, iba yung sinasabi. Yun yung hinuhuli ni Direk. Minsan nga iba yung script mo. Ako, tawag ko si Legolas, Gandalf, ibang script pala. Ibang muna, joke lang. Hindi,
Lord of the Rings na yun eh.
Iba pala yun. De, pero, yun ang maganda rito na laging binabanggit ni Don kanina, yung totoo. Ang mapapanood mo, totoo. At makaka-relate ka. Kasi ramdam mong totoo eh. Dahil kung hindi mo ramdam, peke ka.
Totoo. Totoo naman.
Totoo naman.
Ito, totoo yung tatanong ko sa iyo. Before we move on to our cast, di ba? Pinag-usapan namin ni Emilio kanina na kasi if you look at the filmography of Joros Gamboa, part siya ng mga highest grossing films. Di ba? Do you feel any pressure right now?
Karamihan doon si Direk Cathy kasama ko. So, ayun. Saka hindi ako naniniwala sa luck. Malas yun. Bless lang tayo. Bless lang ako na napapasama ko sa magagandang pelikula ng Star Cinema. And syempre, again, thank you si Direk. Ay, hindi pala. Nalilito kasi ako. Kay Direk Cathy. Kasi ako, talagang transparent naman ako sa lahat na kumbaga sa showbiz, pinakamalaking utang na loob ko kay Direk Cathy. Dahil talagang siya yung, she released the Kraken.
Yan.
Kumbaga, siya yung nagtiwala rin talaga sa akin for the longest time. At patuloy siyang nagtitiwala kahit nakikita niyang medyo malabo na yung mata ko pag nagbabasa ako. So,
Pero part of the big weapons kasi, of course, si Joros.
maganda story ng Star Cinema.
Of
Yun
course,
talaga.
yun talaga yung hawakan natin. Speaking of story, kasama sa story na to, we got River, Emilio, and Mia. And the question is, how will you describe your characters in this film? Can you give us a hint on the vibe or energy you'll be bringing into the story? Let's start with our lady first, Mia.
Hello po.
Hi.
Nalito na rin, sino ba talaga ako, Kuya Joros? Kasi ako po, I'll be playing the role of Ina. Very sassy and very supportive friend, workmate, and housemate of Cisco and Cheska. Na very straightforward din sa mga nangyayari sa mga buhay nila. Yun po.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Mia. River, I just have to say, super happy for you.
Pwedeng sumingit ng konti kay Mia.
Yes.
I don't know her kasi. Like, I don't know her. Sabi nila, Mia Canton, sa sino yan. Magaling daw po. Sige. Tinignan ko, siyempre, as always naman, lahat ng ata ng tao makita ako takot. Pero sabi ko, magaling tong batang to That's how I see a galing of tao, of an actor. yung hindi na nga outshine, hindi yung F's doon sa eksena. Ginagawa yung trabaho niya nang nasa likod siya. And ako, the fact na mapansin kita sa likod, ibig sabihin, gumagawa ka ng tama. Sabi ko, I love this Mia. Thank you, Mia.
Hindi lang siya magaling na actress, masarap din yung pansit niya.
The best. Diba? Thank you so much, Pia. River, second film in Star Cinema. Magkasunod pa. How does it feel?
Siyempre, it's an honor to be part of another Star Cinema movie, lalo na directed by Direk Cathy, and siyempre, starring Don Bell. And dito sa movie na ito, I play the role of Shane. He is the co-lead or office mate of Cisco and Cheska, and I guess he ends up having a rivalry with Cisco in terms of in work and also in romance.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Looking forward to that. Emilio, how about you? From what I heard, he was called parang biglaan sa set.
Medyo,
Biglaan.
Nasa gym na ako. Tapos na ako mag-gym. Legit, this was like, I think, 9 a.m. And then, tinawagan ako ng Star Cinema. Uy, Emilio, free ka ba ngayon? May taping kay Donnie and Belle with Direk Cathy. Sabi ko, okay, I'm there na, 5 minutes lang. So legit, naligo na ako and then diretso na ako sa set. Kasi syempre, it's been a dream of mine to be part of a Star Cinema film, especially with Direk Cathy and now starring Donnie and Belle. So,
Buti nga, naligo ka pa eh.
buti nga, naligo pa ako.
Oo,
diba?
direct ko yun. Iba, diretso na kasi. Sobrang excitement.
Yeah, but
Okay, in this movie,
I play Mookie, so he is the college best friend of Donnie, and we start a business together, and makikita niyo kung gaano ka-successful yun.
oh, interesting. Okay. Now, we move on to the question of Carrie, of Zine. For Donnie and Belle, before tayo sa wakas, you two were already doing projects separately. What made you decide to make this specific film as your last one together? For now, how did you know that it's time to pursue and prioritize your solo careers? Belle?
I mean, before entering the Love Team naman, I always had, sabi ko, I want to be a good actress. Yun naman talaga. And Donnie and I have been vocal about it naman na we just don't want to be Don Bell. We also want to be Donnie and Belle. So I feel like this project is the perfect project for it since it shows so much growth and maturity and it required so much authenticity from the both of us. So, and also plus given Direk Cathy and also yung material, syempre, ang ganda-ganda talaga.
Yeah, like we mentioned, it's not something that we just thought of overnight. Si Belle kasi isa sa mga kakampi ko dito syempre sa showbiz, and we're very, very open with each other. So I think it just had to get to a point where tama yung material para sa ganitong klaseng transition. Yeah, so we would talk about it, you know, project after project. Kailan kaya tayo magkakaroon ng ganitong klaseng transition or phase to a different direction, or when will we pause, yung ganun. And when we were presented this material, syempre, parang nag-meet lang kami, sabi namin sa isa't isa, I think this is the best time kasi it's very timely, yeah. And it's also one that will showcase, you know, different sides of us. Like I said, it's a mixture of all our characters and more. So parang it just felt like the right time. And yeah, of course,
Serendipitous, parang gano'n, di ba?
Yeah.
Lahat talaga sumakto.
yeah.
Timing, creatives, story, casting. Okay. We got a lot of questions.